OZARKLAND. It's a road trip tradition. Our newly remodeled home decor department in Osage Beach has hundreds of ideas for your home or a lake home. OZARKLAND has a department set aside just for your outdoors. These wind chimes are musically tuned. Our tea towels make a statement too. We have a wide assortment of Fiesta dinnerware as well as Lodge cast iron cookware. There's a wall of women's purses and accessories, and for men, a selection of knives including Smith & Wesson, Buck, and Kershaw. Our rhythm clocks tell time to music. Our t-shirt section celebrates the lake life with an array of Simply Southern brand ladies apparel. And our huge toy corner is just for kids. We have a wall full of puzzles for fun inside on rainy days. Of course, OZARKLAND is famous for our souvenirs and Minnetonka footwear. And don't forget our fresh-made fudge, chocolate assortments, and saltwater taffy. Remember, road trip calories never count. OZARKLAND, worth stopping for in Osage Beach on the Parkway, on the Square in Camdenton, and in Kingdom City.